Refreshing, isn't it? Well, this is exactly what others' success looks like. We just see the best part. What we don't see is this, and this. And there's even more. Well, hardships are so mandatory in order to succeed and do good in life, so please don't give up if you fail. Just try and you'll be there, I promise. You just try and be the best version of yourself. Just don't give up.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm so sorry for being so irregular, but today I'm here with one travel vlog and I'm sure it's going to be very exciting. So I'm vlogging from this place called 32 number, and we're here to explore this one waterfall which is quite unseen and unheard. So I'm here, we as in we. So here's Mr. Rai. His name is Sajan, but he's known by the name Mr. Rai Vlogs on YouTube. Please make sure to go and subscribe to his channel, but please watch this vlog completely because he's quite a big YouTuber. I know, so please watch my 1000 subscriber complete was मेरो हैन, and I'll treat you guys with good vlogs हरु नै, अरु त म केही दिन सक्दिन हो, मेरो केही पैसा आउँदैन.
I'm Sajan Rai and welcome to Waterfalls Hunting. आज चाहिँ मसँग प्रतीक्षा छ and we are meeting after a really long time, after months I guess. Into the vlog.
So we got a really nice shed here and we are resting for a while, and he made some vlogs, go to clips, and I was also there. Before subscribing to his channel, please subscribe. Miro ni first. So it's been almost an hour. हामी हिँडेको चाहिँ to hike up. होइन नि अब जस्ट भनेको टाइम त. So I thought we'll be reaching very early, but I was very wrong. It's almost मध्य 12 बजे दाटेको होइन है, मध्य 12 बजेको छ कि. So it's so hot त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ छैन, मैले देखेको छुइनँ कि बिचारी के गर्दै रहेछ हौ. So this is how we shoot your stairs को चाहिँ जहाँ चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ क्यामेरा एक ठाउँ राखेर हिँडेको गर्दै देखाउँछ नि. We have to go back and bring that camera again. कसरी एक्टिभ तिमी?
So after hiking uphill for more than 1.5 hours, we reached to this point where we saw the closest view of waterfalls. Actually, we were just vlogging and clicking pictures. That's why we took so long to reach, but it was just worth it.
So we're almost there. As you can see, it's very near, and we're getting accompanied by 2 brothers and 3 dogs. I guess 4 dogs, so it's kind of a happy day.
Magical. The only one word that kept on repeating on my mind was magical. The waterfall was so huge and I cannot describe how beautiful it was. After a long day hike and hot summer air, promise. And honestly speaking, it was like heavenly peace.
So we have finally reached. How do you feel?
Awesome, man, it was worth it. Please do come visit, but don't pollute the environment.
Yes, and you're already it's very polluted, and I never thought it's like this huge. So photo ma चाहिँ मैले त्यस्तो देखेको थिएँ कि ठुलो चाहिँ, but I didn't imagine to be. It's kind of similar like नेपालको त्यो एउटा चाहिँ चामे हो कि चामे हैन, चामेदेखि उता आउँदाखेरि एउटा छ कि एउटा, it's kind of similar. So we're going down. तर त्यहाँ डल्लै भिज्ने रहेछ, but luckily I brought one dress, so I'm going to change and then go down.
Seriously, walking on this path was so difficult. Going close to these waterfalls was the task because The floor was very heavy and you couldn't stand for like 5 minutes also. You were like just supposed to just stand there for only like 3, 4, 5 minutes because it was so harsh that your eyes will like start burning and then your body will start paining because of the hit of that water drops from the top, but still refreshing. And this is what we live for. This is what I live for. And this is what I explore for. Yes, I live for that one moment, feeling alive.
So we're done and now we are returning. So as you saw those clips, the flow of water was so heavy and we're like so tired because of the flow of water, and experience was so amazing. And at the end I just want to say it was so tiring but it was so much fun. Now we'll be heading back home. I'll go to my sister's place and change because I have my clothes there. So thank you for watching and see you in the next vlog.